Hey guys, it's Cedric here, and today we're going to be working on the trunk actuator for the RSX. We're going to go ahead and remove my trunk cover, and we're going to start by unscrewing the two tabs in the sides and kind of undoing the clips on the sides right here. As you guys can see, just want to be careful with the tabs. So just set that aside, and we're gonna go ahead and get started and removing this. You kind of just flip it out, I believe. Or there you go. So you just flip that open, and there's a Phillips head screw there, and you're gonna do the same thing on the other side right there. So I got that removed, just set it aside for now. Next screw that we gotta undo, this screw right here, you're gonna have to remove, and there should be clips along this area and as well as clips here. So the best way to kind of remove this side panel is by starting off on this area, which is closer to the trunk release. All right, there you go. Slide this one down, and it should come out. Now that you've got that removed, all you're gonna want to do is unbolt these two screws and unclip this. There's a white piece right here that makes it actually open. So before we kind of put everything back together and the door, like the panels and stuff, you're gonna want to make sure to test it out. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Open. Okay. I'll go ahead and lock it. Is it locked? Perfect. Hey, and it works. So I don't gotta do the little RSX crawl. This tab right here is what makes it open and close, and now it works pretty good. I kind of want to just show you what it kind of looks like for the clips. So the first thing you want to do is remove 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm missing a clip right here. It broke off when I was removing it. And once you have these 4 removed, you're gonna have to push these ones out. So it goes kind of like this, and then you push it out that way. And that's pretty much it on how to fix your trunk actuator for your RSX. So catch you on the flip side.